Hey web designers, want more clients ASAP? Well, there are two things that changed the game for me. You gotta implement these if you have not already. Numero uno, set up a referral program for your current clients. If they refer people who hire you, send them a $50 gift card. Super simple. It's a win-win. Once you get paid from their referrals, get the gift card and send it with a few of your business cards to the client who referred them. This makes them feel appreciated and want to do it again. Don't forget, let every client and every new client know about your referral program. You could even mention it on the back of your business cards. After 20 plus years, I know this works because one, referrals are the hottest, most promising leads you can get, especially if they come from clients who are already happy with your services. Not to mention, 90% of my business comes from this source. Second game changer, stick to a single site building technology. The best thing smoking right now is using elegant themes on the Divi platform. It's the most versatile, compatible, and designer friendly combo available. This not only helped me to optimize my web development process, but reduce compatibility issues as well. But let me guess, you just want to design websites. Okay, I see, we got you. We're helping designers across the globe do just that, and not to mention generate additional income from your existing clients without doing any additional work. Our main goal is to help you support your clients better. Web designers, if you want to take your business to the next level and increase the streams of income your business generates, we want to partner with you. Click the link below or in the description for more info.